Generating passive income for retirement means building streams of money that flow even when you stop active work, starting with dividend stocks from established companies that pay regular cash to shareholders without you having to sell your shares. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, let you earn from property portfolios without buying physical buildings, distributing most of their profits as dividends. Another solid move is creating a simple online course about a skill you know well or writing an ebook on a topic you love, both generating ongoing sales with little maintenance after the initial work. You could also look into investing in a small local business as a silent partner or putting money into peer-to-peer lending platforms that pay interest on your loans. The key is to pick options that match your risk comfort and start small, letting your money build steadily over time so your retirement feels less like a cliff and more like a gentle glide.